Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of the Crown Lounge, where today's episode we're going to be making a Bulldog Smash. I don't think it has anything to do with the national back-to-back champs in Georgia or not, but whatever. We're going to make it about them, right? So first, we need a glass. And we need about 6 mint leaves. That looks like about 6. Next, we need to take a half a lemon wedge, right? Half a lemon and wedge it. Drop that in our glass. Next, we need half a peach dice. And what's better this time of year? These nice Georgia peaches. So this is very similar to the peach smash that I did before, but with more ingredients. Then we're going to do we're going to do a full teaspoon of a honey syrup, but you can use a simple syrup. And honey syrups is the same as homemade simple syrup, where it is 1 part honey, 1 part water. Bring to a boil. So next we're going to muddle these. Muddle. Smell that mint and that lemon. Next, we're going to add 2 ounces of bourbon, and we're going to use the Fiddler Georgia Heartwood. Like, I'm not throwing hints or nothing, but last, we're going to add 3 ounces of Cointreau, which is a triple sec. So if you don't have it, use a different triple sec. That's about 3/4. Next, we're going to add some ice to a glass. And then we shake. Next, we're going to add some ice to our glass. Crushed ice is what the recipe calls for, but my fancy refrigerator don't do crushed ice. Now we're going to strain the mixture, the cocktail, into the glass. You could double strain it if you don't want the little bits, but I want the little bits. There you have it. A Bulldog Smash. So much better than let me not say so much better. It's a lot better than a regular peach smash. only because of the extra stuff that you add, like the mint. Again, this is not anything to do with the great state of Georgia. Or is it? I didn't make it about it at all. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, cheers.